thank you so much for watching today. Today we're going to set a Christmas table, and I'm going to walk you through the process of how I set my Christmas table. It's just me, my husband, and Snowball this year, so I decided to make a small setting, yet simple and beautiful. It's very traditional and it has a clean look, and I just wanted to go with just the old school basics of colors this year with fun and whimsical Christmas decorations. So I hope you enjoy it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit that notification button. That way you'll know when we're uploading. I upload videos every week, and you can also follow me on Mr. Traveler, where we travel the world and share our memories with you. I hope that you can make your own memories and just start setting the table. If it's just you and your husband, you want to set your Christmas table because it gives it a fun, festive look, and you will enjoy coming home looking at it. And it's fun, it's interesting, and it's a decor piece that most people just bypass, but I found that it incorporates the decorations inside my home as well as dinner. So thank you so much for watching. Enjoy. Bye guys. Okay, let's get started. Here in one of my dining rooms, I have a glass table, my mirrored buffet, and a rug. I'm starting off really simple. I cleaned everything out so I can have a fresh start. If you want to know where everything is, I'll put it down in the description box, or you can leave a comment and I'll let you know where I got it from. Here's my tablecloth that I picked up from Bed Bath & Beyond. I am not going to iron it because it's just me and my husband and my puppy dog Snowball for Christmas. I will not be having company this year. It's going to be really quiet and simple. And next I'm going to add my table runner that I picked up from Pier 1. It has a pattern to it, black and white, and I wanted to stick with traditional colors this year. And I'm going to go ahead and smooth that out just a little bit to make sure everything is cohesive and neat. Next, I'm going to add my table mats that I picked up from Pier 1. If you notice, my table mats have a pattern in it as well as my table runner. I did that intentionally just to make sure I have a traditional mix of textures and colors, yet they look like they're in the same family. Moving right along to my chargers from Pier 1, they have little beads around them. So everything has a texture that I'm using. It has sort of a matte finish, and I'm going to add some china on top of the chargers. And they have that smooth finish, and it'll give it a smooth texture. You notice everything I'm using have a different texture to it. I wanted to mix it up this year and go with kind of muted colors. Next, I'm going to add this vase that was a gift from my godmother in Connecticut, and I'm going to add a spruce with berries inside, and it is not real. It's from Michael's. The acorns are from Michael's as well. One is gold and one is a dark brown color. I'm going to add that to the table just to give it more textures. I'm going to add this really cute little Christmas tree that I picked up from Target and add that to the table as well. I wanted a traditional laid back look. Next, I'm going to add these lanterns that I picked up from Michael's and add candles to them just to make sure I set the mood. Next, I'm going to add my china glasses. We're all set. Light the candles, set the mood. The only thing we're missing is food. I'm going to add napkins later and everything. I'm not going to set food out on the table. We're going to be eating it from the kitchen, so I just want to do something simple. You can add cinnamon brooms if you like to make sure it smells like cinnamon in the room. We don't have seasons here in Florida, so I have to fragrance my home of the seasons. Now let's move on to the buffet. I'm going to add this nearly natural wreath. I added the bow and made it myself and put it on the bottom. Hopefully I can get it straight later. I'm going to use this Big Lots urn with eucalyptus leaves inside and cotton balls in there to mix up my greens. I wanted to do a lot of textures and traditional looks. I added some candles, and the bases are from Michael's, and we're all set. you have it. We're all set. We're done decorating. We're ready to get cooking. I hope you enjoy your holiday season. Take these ideas and make them your own. And I appreciate it if you leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Bye everyone. Happy holidays. Stay tuned for day 2, a Christmas tree tour.